Today we're going to learn how to make hand sanitizer by using everyday household items. As you guys know, coronavirus is something that's been spreading all over the globe. It seems like every store that we go to has run out of everyday household essentials, such as toilet paper, disinfecting wipes, and of course, hand sanitizer. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own hand sanitizer so that way you never have to worry about running out to the store. Just a reminder that hand sanitizers is not going to clean all the bacteria of your hands, and it has been suggested by health officials all over the world that you lather your hands with soap and wash underneath warm water for at least 20 seconds in order to kill all the necessary germs and bacteria. So the key ingredient to making hand sanitizer is using some alcohol. Right now I only have 70%, although it has been suggested by all professionals that you use 99% because it kills the most bacteria. But you can still work with 70%, especially if it's the only thing that you have at home. My local store didn't have aloe vera gel in its purest form because of course it was sold out. But we're gonna use After Sun gel, which has aloe vera as its key ingredient. Then you're gonna need a bowl for you to mix your ingredients in, a spoon to mix your ingredients with, and a container for you to store your hand sanitizer in. This is the one that I keep on my keychain so that I always have hand sanitizer on the go. So let's get started. So the measurements of your ingredients all depends on the size of your container that you plan to store your hand sanitizer in. The key factor to remember when creating your own hand sanitizer is the ratio of 2:1. That means there needs to be at least 2 parts of alcohol to at least 1 part of aloe vera gel. The alcohol is used to kill all the germs and bacteria, while the aloe vera gel is used to bring back moisture from using such harsh chemicals such as alcohol. Since I only have 70% alcohol, we're going to change the ratio a little bit, putting more than 2 parts of alcohol to the 1 part of aloe vera to ensure that we have enough alcohol in order to kill bacteria. Your alcohol needs to be at least 60% or higher in order to kill germs, and adding too much of another material will cause the percentage of alcohol to go down. So today we're gonna add 3 parts of alcohol to 1 part of aloe vera gel. If I were to have a 99% of alcohol, I would only use the 2 parts to the 1 part. For my younger ones watching this video, I do suggest that a parent, a guardian, or someone older than you is there to help and supervise. So here you see I'm going to put 3 of these spoonfuls in of alcohol. Be very careful. I have a towel down here so that it's easier to clean up any messes. 2, 3. Then I'm going to take my aloe vera gel and only put 1 spoonful. Then I'm going to add it into the bowl and then mix it in. I'm going to take a little bit into my hand. And there you have it, your own homemade hand sanitizer. Thanks for watching.